I plan to take this hotel room from 1 star to 5 in just 48 hours.
I'm not freaking out!
Welcome to the internet's most ridiculous renovation makeover series. We check into some of the world's most desolated properties.
Is that blood?
And in just 48 hours transform them into 5-star destinations. But nothing could prepare me for what I found, the characters we met, and the transformation we created. This is 1 star to 5 star in 48 hours.
What we get us doing?
Today, we are checking into this truck stop motel combo where owners Joe and Kim admit they have struggled to recoup after the pandemic. This motel has stood neglected for years. Here we go. Room 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that maggots? Are they maggots? My god. Oh my god. Is that blood? Get behind me.
It's time to play, y'all.
Oh, it's pretty dark.
Pretty dark. Yeah, it's a high rate, right?
Yeah. So what I'm like, imagine if we do the walls, the skirting, and the ceiling, like all this color.
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
No, I think it's fantastic. Look, it's very avant-garde. Holy shit! It's like car key.
Is it too much? This is very interesting. This green paint is the most expensive one, right? And it's so fucking runny.
It's watery.
It's so watery.
It is.
Wait, mix the other one.
Well,
Oh, here. Oh, we need 2 mixing sticks. Here, just use the broom for this one.
diary of David.
I just love that you're mixing paint with a broom. And in this moment, I knew I needed to make a phone call.
Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Well, it's Friday night, so I was on my way to the pub, but you sound like someone who needs a favor.
Yeah. So what if...
Instead of the pub, you come here for beers and help me move a stove. That's all.
You know I hate doing physical activity, but...
I know, but I bought it, but I have a carton, so it's fine, so it's good.
Alright. I'll do it for the beers. So these are notorious for spiritual activity.
I'll have to agree with that.
Have you consulted the ghost? Because if there's one thing a ghost hates, it's when you come in and start changing up their house.
How do we consult the spirit?
And then smash cut to... If there is any spirits in the room, please make yourself known.
Should we go and bounce
Let's go see
Joe?
Yeah, let's see Joe.
Yeah.
Okay, this is like an current affair bounce.
Joe, what's in the corn croquette?
Right. Hang on, let's just see.
Yeah, I'll get it for you.
This is not how I thought I was fitting my friend.
Right.
Hello.
Where's Joe? Where are you, love?
Joanne, how are you? You too. Oh my God.
So how did you get wrapped up into all of this?
No, she's the one that let me do this.
You guys trust Mackie's vision?
I don't know about that yet.
We're about to go. Do you want to come to the black light with us? Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, come with me, Joe. So, typically in these blacklight hotel room exposés, we find a lot of bodily fluids. So we're going to put this onto the mattress and we're going to see what shows up.
Alright.
You ready?
Yep.
So I'm actually pretty impressed.
Yeah, that's clean.
Is this a fresh mattress?
No.
Did you throw the last one out with
No.
that hooker OD?
Do you want us to flip it?
Yeah, we can flip it.
What? What?
You have been a distraction.
Have you got a lot of happy truckers at the moment?
Yep.
Cheers, motherfucker. Thank you for coming.
Cheers. I am very excited about this burger.
Me too.
I heard people drive from all over to get this.
They do. They do. I think now is the time to make the wager where if this video gets 1,000 likes, we come back and do the entire hotel and make it our destination, inside out.
Right on time.
Whoa.
Oh, look at that. Joe, you've bloody outdone yourself.
You're very welcome. I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Let's get
Just
Mitch
as good
in
as
here.
you look.
Right, now I've got to go and clean up.
Yeah, okay.
And do some actual work.
Okay. It's 2:40 a.m. and we're f***ed. What do you mean what's the plan, Reese? We fucking paint. We fucking paint, and then once the painting's done, that's the easy part. I mean, this is literally the only hard part because we're not doing any kind of like stone wall. Because it took us too long to build a bonfire, so now I think we'll be fine. We're gonna cut out the ceiling in here, okay? Right? We're not painting ceilings anymore. No, we're not. We're not. Okay, Reese, this is literally how much we've done today. I've been here since 10 a.m. This is what I've done. Oh, I cleaned. End of it. This is the work that I have to show for. It's been 16 hours.
You're 16 hours.
We're 16
into
hours
your
in, and I haven't even finished one wall.
Do you still have hope that you're going to turn this into a 5-star hotel?
I reckon it's gonna be a solid 3.
Hey, a 3 around these butts is not bad.
I mean, the thing is, it was such low standards to start with.
Where are you at psychologically?
I wish I never did this. No, that's a lie actually. I'm actually having a lot of fun. Today was really fun, wasn't it?
Today was super fun. Do you think that maybe it was so much fun that now you're freaking out that we have too much to do?
Yeah. I'm not freaking out! I'm not. It's fine, everything's fine. Right? It's fine. I hate this. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so we're gonna go get some paint and then we are going to paint, right?
So we're a little bit behind. We're one team member down. and we got to go shopping for some paints.
Yeehaw! Okay, let's go.
How far away is the paint shop?
So it's about 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
I know, we're literally in the middle of fucking nowhere.
We are in the bush.
Went back. This isn't dark and moody enough. So we're gonna mix some paint ourselves.
You're like an old maiden whipping her in butter.
Definitely darker. So I guess we just keep going. Second coat, and hopefully this works out. I don't know if we're gonna make it. What's the time?
I don't know!
It is. Oh, it's only 5:50?
Yeah, it's pretty early.
Wow, I thought it was way later.
So we definitely need to vacuum the carpet. Okay, well that's happening, and a mop, and then we've got some serious zhuzhing to do.
Yeah.
Shit! Warm champagne at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, what a way to start the day.